President Goodluck Jonathan has presented the 40% cassava flour-made bread to the public with a promise that it would be his staple food until he leaves the Aso Rock. The president made the presentation shortly before the commencement of the weekly Federal Executive Council meeting at the council chamber of the presidential villa.
The national anthem.
2 weeks after the presentation of the 40% cassava bread to the Federal Executive Council, President Goodluck Jonathan has taken it upon himself to get the message sink into the ears of Nigerians. He breaks the bread, gives some to the Vice President, as if to say, let us teach Nigerians how to eat cassava bread. He says it's going to be a continuous process until he leaves office.
To formally present this bread to Nigerians. I've been eating this bread for the past 1 week, and I'll continue to eat only this bread until I leave State House.
President Jonathan said that government will introduce policies that would encourage those who will use cassava in processing bread, and directed the finance minister to meet with other ministers on policy of granting incentives to the users.
Other countries that become great did not wake up one day and become great. If you look at the history of a country like China, at the time they close all their doors and restructure everything, begin to think again. By the time they open their doors, because the rest is known by all of us.
The ministers in the Federal Executive Council took time out, joined the president in eating the bread, while the Minister of Agriculture said that Nigeria produced 35 million tons of cassava, but accounted for 0% in terms of value added. He said Nigeria will save 656 billion naira annually, money spent on importation of wheat alone.
Your Excellency, just that substitution alone at 40% would save us a lot of money. We spend 656 billion naira importing wheat every year. And so this will create a lot of jobs, create markets for our farmers, stabilize prices, and give us a pride in the fact that we are actually eating what we produce.
It will be recalled that the project of cassava flour began during the Obasanjo regime, when he started encouraging the use of 10% of cassava flour. Perhaps Nigerian bakers will embrace it this time around. Chukwuma Onwekusi, Channels Television News.